Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Walmart, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your business with Walmart, start by creating a Walmart seller account. Visit the Walmart Seller Center and click on Apply to Sell. Fill out the application form with your business details. Provide documents to verify your business identity and tax information. Once approved, set up your profile with a clear description and logo. Next, familiarize yourself with Walmart's policies and guidelines. Research top-selling products within your niche on the Walmart Marketplace. Identify gaps in the market that your products can fill. Optimize your product listings by using clear titles and high-quality images. Write detailed descriptions that highlight features and benefits. Use relevant keywords to enhance visibility in search results. Determine your pricing strategy, considering both competitiveness and profitability. Set up your inventory management system to keep track of stock levels. Next, prepare for fulfillment by choosing between Walmart Fulfillment Services or self-fulfillment. If using Walmart services, integrate your inventory for seamless order processing. Monitor your performance metrics regularly through the Seller Center dashboard. Pay attention to customer feedback and respond promptly to inquiries. Consider running promotions or ads to increase your product visibility. Evaluate your marketing strategies by analyzing sales data and customer behavior. Scale your operations by expanding your product range based on demand. Optimize your shipping processes to reduce delivery times. Stay updated with Walmart's selling policies to ensure compliance at all times. Build strong relationships with suppliers and partners for better sourcing options. Continue to refine your strategies based on market trends and consumer preferences. With persistence and dedication, you can successfully scale your business with Walmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.